girl here. So next month I will be teaching some awesome classes at Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. And I'm very excited. So today I wanted to tell you a little bit about those classes, tell you a little bit about the event, and then I'm going to do a fun painting for you because why not? So this is kind of a unique class for me. I will be teaching the business of art. So not how to paint necessarily, but there are other amazing teachers at the event that will be teaching you how to paint, but I will be teaching you how to make money from your painting or your art, or really anything actually, because what I will be teaching applies to a lot of different businesses, not just art. So in one of my workshops, you can learn such things as pricing your art, photographing your art, creating and building your social media, and using your social media to make money, and a lot of other things that are going to be awesome. So get all of the information and get signed up at fluidartexperience.com. And there are other amazing teachers there. So one of the great things about Fluid Art Experience is you can take as many classes as you want. You want to just take one class? You can just take one class. You want to take 10 classes? Well, you might not have time for that, but you can take at least 6. And it's just going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be a gala dinner. There's going to be a meet and greet. There's free demos during the lunch periods. One from Artist Till Death. There's a demo from Deco Art. And the other teachers that will be there that you are going to want to learn from. It's an incredible lineup. Cole's Color will be teaching pendulum pours. There'll be Massey Art Studio, Mina Villegas, Cause Creations, Tara, so many people, I can't even name them all, but all of the information is at fluidartexperience.com. Space is very limited. My classes are actually already over halfway sold out, so make sure that you go and get your tickets now. There are discounted rates on the hotel rooms, so you'll want to go book that now as well. And I very much look forward to seeing you next month. So today I'm going to just do a fun and easy and relaxed painting for you, just for fun. But the painting that I am doing is going to actually be given away at the Fluid Art Experience. So if you would like to win this painting, definitely go get your tickets. And every teacher at this event is going to do a painting that will be given away. Look down in the description for this video and you'll see the full lineup of awesome video premieres that are happening today, where each teacher will show the piece that they're going to be giving away at this event. Let's get started. So for this piece, I have decided that I am going to stick with a couple of my favorite things. 1, blues and golds, and 2, a tree ring technique. So all of the paints I'm using are mixed media girl pouring paint, and I want this to be fairly light, but I'm using just a variety of blues basically. So I've got white there, I've got turquoise. Now keep in mind when you're layering a cup for something like a tree ring, whatever you put in the cup first is going to be the main color that you will see when you're done. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna throw a little bit of gold in here as well. I kind of like the beachy color vibe. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit of copper, not a lot. Now the other colors I have here are Caribbean teal, and I've got some deep sea, which is like a deep navy blue. And then I have this limited edition denim shimmer color. So I'm just going to be layering these in here. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and you can see it is pre-painted blue. Truth be told, I actually did a painting on here that I didn't like, so I scraped it, and I'm starting over to get something that I am happy with. But for this, you need quite a bit of paint. So I'm going to fill up this entire cup, and then I will also have a little bit of base paint, or may put some paint around the edges. we'll kind of see as we go. But this is a 16-ounce cup. I don't know if I already said that. I'm going to fill it up all the way to the top. Okay, we've got that completely full. That is looking very nice. So I am going to tree ring this right in the middle. There we go. It's a pretty full cup, so it's kind of hard to get it out slowly. I'm really excited about these colors. And now we're going to wreck it. One of my favorite things. I'm going to take a stick and pull it through here. I usually like to do 3 times, but there's no rules about it. You can really do whatever you want. And sometimes people like to kind of like swirl it. I usually just go straight through. So you can kind of tell I could probably get this covered with the amount of paint that is in here, but it would be pretty difficult. So I'm going to take some extra paint. I think I will actually use the Deep Sea, and I'm going to go all the way around here and just get kind of a nice bit of extra paint so we don't have to stress about tilting it too much to get coverage. You can also start down with a wet base before you do your design, but sometimes I find that that can affect your design. Your wet base can come up through it. To each his own though. I prefer to put some around the edges. I'm going to push that paint all the way up to the design. All right, and now we tilt. Now when tilting, just go pretty slow. I like to go kind of towards one corner, back to the middle, and just slowly stretch out your design. You'll kind of see the parts that you like the most, and those you can work to keep on your canvas. And if there's a part you don't particularly like, just go ahead and run that right off. Just don't tilt too quickly in any one direction, or you can just lose most of your paint there. And I typically try not to even start running it off the canvas at all until my canvas is essentially covered. Like right now, it's pretty covered. If I start running the paint off, I'm not going to be running out. Very beautiful colors. Happy with my color selection. And I like that we kind of have a bit of a dark moody blue over here, and then it gets lighter. Let me just get this corner, and then I'm going to adjust my design a little bit. I want to run it a little more this way. All right, I am quite happy with that. I think that is just gorgeous. So I'm going to go around and just touch up my sides a little bit. It looks like I got pretty good coverage on those already. And then I'm going to raise this up, and I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so here we go in for our close-up. Cannot go wrong with this color combination. I definitely think over here, this kind of moody part is my favorite. But this is just a beautiful combination of blues and then that gold and copper, I think just really make it pop. And this, I think, would look great in several different directions, however you want to hang it. And I think we will have some more cells coming up. You can kind of see some in here. We used a few metallics, and that can definitely help with the cell production. So there you guys go. If you would like to win this piece, come to Fluid Art Experience. And even if you don't want to win this piece, go ahead and get signed up at fluidartexperience.com to take some amazing classes from some super, super awesome teachers. And don't forget to go check out the next video in this Premier Train. Links will be down in the description. I'll see you all next time. So in one of my workshops, you can learn such things such as building your social media,